Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at introduction to Microsoft Office and we'll be starting with Microsoft Word. We'll be having the full lesson of Microsoft Word in phases. We'll be following our classes as from now. Let's dive in Microsoft Word. So we'll be offering all computer packages online. So we'll be uploading video after every class. Microsoft Word is a word processing program developed by Microsoft, and it helps in creating a professional looking document that can be printed like letters, reports, memo, essays, projects, books, notices, and other documents. Microsoft Word is one of the Microsoft Office suite, and it's widely used in offices, schools, and homes. So more about Microsoft Word. Word is one of the components of Microsoft Office, and it's integrated software with a number of integrated programs, which includes there's Microsoft Word, Excel, Microsoft Access, that is database management system, Microsoft PowerPoint, that is a presentation package. So Excel is also the spreadsheet. Okay, so there are several versions of Microsoft Word. So the versions are Word 97, 2000 XP, 003, 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, 2021, and the latest 2024. And there is also Microsoft Office 365. So this is just introduction to Microsoft Word. So what can you do with Microsoft Word? So first, with the Microsoft Word, you can do typing and editing, changing font style of the text and document, formatting paragraphs, that is alignment, spacing, bullet and numbering, inserting pictures, table, shapes and charts in document, checking spelling and grammar automatically, saving document, printing and sharing the document. So we have checked on introduction to Microsoft Word until uses of Microsoft Word. So some of things we'll see are the layout of the Microsoft Word. This is the screen layout. So the screen layout of Microsoft Word will check at title bar. There's the ribbon and rams, quick access toolbar, document area, and status bar. So these are screen layout of Microsoft Word. Then next some topic will be checking on creating a document. So creating a document, you'll know how to open a new document, type in the text, selecting the text, and editing the text. Cut, copy, paste, formatting. Okay. So next we'll check on text formatting. Text formatting, we'll see some features like font type and size, bold, italics, underline, font color and highlight, changing uppercase and lowercase. This is the small letters, capital letters. Next one will be looking at paragraph formatting, which is text alignment, that is center, right, justify, line spacing, indentation, bullet and numbering. So each of one will pass one by one. So this is just an overview. Next, it's a page layout and design. So there's page size, margin, orientation, portrait and landscape, and columns. Okay, so next will be inserting object. So object will be like inserting pictures and image, tables, chips and icons, and symbols. Okay, so this is just overview. We'll look one by one. Working with the table, so creating tables, adding and deleting rows, columns, formatting tables, entering data in tables. So file management. So file management in Microsoft Word, like saving the document, saving as option, opening an existing document, closing document. Okay, So the next one will be proofing tool or proofreading. So you'll be checking spelling and grammar, the thesaurus and word count. Okay, so as we finish, we'll be checking on printing document, print preview, page setup before printing and document. So there's document review, find and replace, comments, basic introduction, track changes, introduction only. So the other one will be shortcut and tips. So there are some shortcuts in Microsoft Word. We'll be looking at them. Basic practical exercise. So we'll be doing some practicals, and that's the basic we'll be looking at in Microsoft Word. So next video will be introduction to Microsoft Word, and we'll start with screen layout of the Microsoft Word. This is the screen layout, the one we are seeing. This one, all of this one. We have file, we have menus, we have, so we'll be checking everything. So we have title bar. Title bar is this one, having the name, ribbon and terms. Ribbon is this one containing the tools. This one, this is the ribbon. Okay, we'll be checking quick access toolbar. Here kuna save, auto save. We'll be checking document area, the type in space hapa hivi, and the status bar. Okay, so status bar ni iko huku chini. So we'll be checking everyone one by one, so follow me, and you'll get a good knowledge of Microsoft Word. We'll pass through all the packages, starting with Microsoft Word, Excel, spreadsheet, Microsoft Access, PowerPoint, internet and networking, and more others. Welcome and join me in the lesson. Thank you.